Well, hello friends. Here in Utah, it's been awfully rainy the last couple of days. We've got a little break in the weather, so I figured I'd come in the backyard and tackle this project that's been bugging me for a bit now. Oh, about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, I had these pine trees placed in the backyard after I had taken down 15 of these big guys that were on my property. Those needles were just destroying the yard. So long story short, after these pine trees were planted, I think the guys who did the job just dumped the soil from the holes and made this berm too big. And I've just struggled to keep it vital. So today I'm going to top seed it. So I was at Home Depot yesterday and I picked up this product called Rapid Grass, and it looks pretty easy to do. So looking at the instructions for overseeding, step one is prep. I'm gonna mow the lawn or mow the area, rake up any loose soil, debris, kind of loosen things up. Then apply some of the seed, and then I'll use this Scott product, excuse me, to top dress it and protect it while it takes hold. All right, so got the area prepped, and let's look for the settings. We have the drop spreader, so we need to put our settings at 17. 17 she is. Well, I don't know exactly how much product to use, so I'm just gonna dump the bag and go from there. That looks like plenty, and maybe a little bit more. It was reasonably priced, so I'd rather do a thick coat than wish I would have later, so let's give that a try. It's hard to tell how much product is coming out, but I do see a little bit there. Get it nice and heavy. Get that area a little bit more. Okay. That was easy peasy. Now I guess it's time to put the top dressing on and get this coated and protected. Then hopefully the rains will kick back up this evening. And if not, we'll hit them with the sprinklers. Here on the bag, the instructions say for top dressing and overseeding to apply 1/4 inch of the turf builder. All right, what to expect? Day 12, you should see a little bit. Day 21, you should see a bit more. All right. Step back and take a little look at what we just did. Today is May 6th, so we'll do a follow-up in 3 weeks' time to see how this all turned out. Well, welcome back. Today is day 13 on our little overseeding project here at the house. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I think it's filling in nicely. Still got some remnants of the dressing that we applied on top of it, which was also a Scott's product. And it looks like this is the only area that's not really doing anything at all. I think part of the problem is these branches from this pine tree are blocking the water from really getting it good. So I'm going to have to do some hand watering there, as the rotors on the back wall and the rotors out here in the yard just aren't giving that enough drink. Well, welcome back everybody. Day 22. So I'm going to go ahead and mow it and see what we have. Be interested to see how it does throughout the summer as things really start to warm up here in Utah. Well, thanks for joining me on this little overseeding project. And for now, this is Alex with Adventures with Alex and Tammy, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you have any comments regarding the job or any suggestions for next time, I greatly appreciate it.